Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You begin now, pick one device and set it to 16:9. This keeps your vlog ready for platforms. Start with a short plan, intro, main moment, closing, and record the intro first to warm up. Once done, check exposure and audio levels so you capture usable clips. Make sure to stabilize the frame. Shaky footage wastes time. You'll save edits later by getting clean takes now, and that early focus speeds the whole process. You now run the scene. Film 2 to 3 short takes of each moment so you have options. Speak directly to camera. Say one line, pause, then repeat with slightly different emphasis. This gives editors choices. Once done, shoot B-roll, 5-10-second context clips to bridge cuts. Make sure to vary angles and distance. Close, medium, wide give energy. Also monitor audio and re-record any clipped lines immediately so you avoid You finish by editing with speed. Assemble your best intro, main take, and close into a 45-90-second story. Cut dead space ruthlessly, keep momentum. Once done, drop one title card, add a music bed at around -12 dB so dialogue stays clear, and lay B-roll over transitions. Make sure to export H.264 at 1080p, 16:9. If sync or muffled audio appears, re-import the raw clip and replace the bad file. That usually fixes the issue.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.